AT&T's Internet Air is AT&T's new 5G home internet service, while AT&T Fiber is its traditional wired fiber connection. Both promised fast speeds, but they're built for different needs. Let's begin with Internet Air, which is all about convenience. It's wireless, easy to set up, and ideal for renters or anyone without access to fiber. Real users report speeds between 100 and 300 megabits, which is plenty for streaming and casual gaming. But on Reddit, some note that performance can fluctuate during peak hours or in areas with weaker 5G coverage. AT&T Fiber delivers far more consistency, with symmetrical speeds up to 5 gigabits. It's perfect for heavy users and remote workers. And gamers who can't risk lag or slow uploads. It's more stable for larger households. Pricing is similar. Internet Air runs around $55 per month, while fiber starts at $55 and scales with speed. But if you have fiber access, most users agree it's definitely the better long-term option. Bottom line, Internet Air is great for flexibility or a quick setup. But if you can get fiber, its reliability and raw speed make it a clear winner. Have you tried either? Share your experience below. I'd love to hear which one's been smoother, and I'll catch you in the next video.